Hi, I'm Jenni Morse, inventor and co-founder of Simpli Press. One of the most common questions we get is, how do you press into the coffee basket? The thing that you do is that you just press gently into the coffee basket. Once you hit the top, you pour some of the coffee out. And then press some more. Once all the brew is out, all you do is easily lift up the coffee basket for easy cleanup. One of the other common questions that we get is, how do you get the coffee basket and the filter out of the carafe? It's easy. All you do is keep your hand on the lid, lift up like this, tilt sideways, and of course do it over a sink, and you can have your coffee grounds out easily. Just tap it out, use your spoon to get it out, whatever way is easiest for you. And you're done.